Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Alo Yoga coupon code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what you want to do is open up a web browser, go to Google and then type in Alo coupon code and then hit enter. You're going to be taken to Google search results, which is offering different third-party sites with different coupon promo codes. So off the bat, we've got Coupon Follow offering 20% off. We've got Marie Claire, we've got Simply Codes, Real Tell Me Not, coupons.com. We could try any one of these to get these coupon codes, but one I like to use is called Coupon Follow. So we're over at Coupon Follow and you can see their other deals they got going on here. So we've got 25% off on your order, 30% on your order. And the cool thing about this site, you can also see their expired deals as well. So you can kind of get a sense of what they might offer in the future. So if you want to activate any one of these coupon codes, just go ahead and click on where it says show coupon code. Here it is here, Alo Partner. Copy this and paste this at the checkout section of Alo to receive 30% on your order. These codes do expire every now and then, so if they expire, just move on to the next one. And these coupon codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check them out at later dates for possibly a better deal.